Okay, Lydia, please bring your arms up for me, all the way as much as you can, both sides, whichever one can go higher. Do you have pain?
Yes, on the left.
Okay, come down. Right, bring your arms down. Can you put your arms in at your side like this? So bend your elbows, put your arms forward. Can you extend your arms out? Okay, and then can you come forwards with your arms for me? How far up can you go? Okay. All right, so I'm looking at the general energy in your arm here. That's pretty good. I sort of compare it to the side. Oops, let's just move it back a sec. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to have a look at the top of your head. Okay, just scanning your shoulder. Is the pain right here?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see the pendulum is going forwards and backwards. So that's showing me, and if we do the contralateral side, it's still. Okay. Then, this is an energy block here, right there. You said you've got pain? You've got pain over here?
Yes.
Okay. So there's energy flow, but it's blocked at this point. And then let's see where it picks up. It picks up at that point. So from here to here we've got a block, okay, a constriction, and we've got inflammation there. Now I just want to have a look at your just relax your arm. I just want to look at your radial nerve. That seems to be fine. Turn your hands over. Okay, so there's some issues with your ulnar nerve and the median nerve. Okay, I want to come over to this side. Ulnar nerve, median nerve is fine, and then the radial nerve on this side. Is this painful?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we've picked up right radial nerve, and left we've got median and ulnar nerve. Okay, so what we have done is I've used this instrument. So we've scraped the whole shoulder, the back, both arms, because we want that hemispherical crossover. So I first open the body with the scraping. That helps you receive the frequency of these tuning forks much, much more. And I started to work here in your neck region where there's so much tension and pain, working with the barrels, and I started to bring this energy down your hand, because when you've had a stroke, there is a blockage of electrical flow. So I used this rose quartz crystal, and I basically just drew in the frequency and gently worked this frequency. You can actually feel where there's a block, like my hand gets stuck where there's an energy block, and then eventually it gives way. So we worked with the energy. I also worked with the laser, just helping to add that coherence, and we worked very specifically in this block here. Okay, so now I can assess that energy flow again. So let's see if I've released the block. So this is your general flow, which is what we had initially. So this is much better. And now when I come in for the specifics, it's actually just coming much, much, much faster. So there we go. That's looking really good. The one thing I haven't done yet is work on the vectors. So I thought we can do that together. So you can see that there's still a strong pull. So what I'm going to do now is show you how I work with the vectors. I like to use 2 tuning forks, and we're bringing this energy in, and I'm listening to the body. I'm going to shine the laser on your arm, on your elbow. I don't rush this, so it's like a wave that I'm moving, and when the body lets me in, I will come closer. But I'm really just giving it the coherence. So we're giving it the 111 hertz. Just starting to draw this pull. Did you fall when you had your stroke?
I fell, but I was sitting in church, and then I didn't completely fall. I almost fell, but I didn't go down.
So your fall was onto this arm.
Yes.
So that's what the body is remembering. So that's why you've got a vector pull. Now, nobody knows this. People don't realize that there are these energy pulls from the time of our injury. So I'm just giving your body the frequency with the green light, and I'm just waiting for it to say to me, you can come in. Can you feel any sensations while I work?
No.
Did you feel anything earlier?
Not really.
How's your pain now after the treatment?
It's much better.
And then we'll assess your movement. So I can feel that the body's now starting to let me in. It's beautiful. It's like now it's drawing me in. What I also like to do sometimes is actually just use the crystal, so I can point the crystal in the direction I'm going, and like an oar in water, bring this oar closer to your body. Okay, great. So now I want to assess that vector pull again. Tucking in that, beautiful. So that force of falling on your arm was constantly pulling you. Okay. Can you lift your arms up? That's great. And then take your arms down the side. Do you have any pain with your movement?
Only this side, no, but when I was going up, I had some bit of pain, but this side, no.
No, it's gone. The left side's gone. Okay, come forwards now. So you're going to come forward and then go all the way up. Okay, you can pop your arms down. So we've restored the motion within one session. How does it feel? What do you think of this treatment?
I think it's good. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It's good.
When was the last time you were able to lift your arm like that?
I don't remember. Before the stroke.
Which was 2019?
Yes.
So that's a long time.
2019 to now, it's about 6 years ago.
6 years was the last time.
Yes.
Weren't you telling me you couldn't even do your personal care?
I couldn't even tie my hair like this.
Okay.
I couldn't even put on a headscarf like any other woman.
Can you come up like this and just move your arm in and out? How does that feel?